Yeah, see, you just push it. You don't hold it down because it'll do like a photo burst.
A photo what?
A burst, a photo. Just don't even worry about it. You don't need to know about it.
Alright, well, what's this thing here? What's this here?
That's just the time code, Dad. It just shows you how long you've been recording for.
Well, it don't do nothing.
No, Dad, you don't. It's not something you push. You don't push it. It's just showing you how long.
I'm trying to understand what this is, son. I'm trying to figure this out, and I can't figure it out.
I'm trying to tell you, it's just a freaking time code. It's just a thing you look at. You don't push it.
Do what now?
Oh my gosh, Dad, it doesn't matter. It doesn't even matter. Just.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This is Brussel Saxby from Sax-Bee's Auto Towing. I'm back with another episode here. Got some new tools to check out. So I got this new device here, calling my my son gave me, called a smartphone, but I think it's actually a stupid phone, but you know, whatever. He said something about me recording it in HD, whatever the name of Sam Hill that means. I don't know. So let's get the show going, I guess. Alright. Picked this on up in Harbor Freight. Now what they tell me at Harbor Freight is that this here is called a staple gun. I guess that's what it's called. Not really sure what I think of it just yet, but I figure I'll do this here video so we can try it out. I haven't really had the chance to try it just yet. I don't know how well it works with wood and such, but I mean, what they tell me down at Harbor Freight is that, you know, this will do pretty much anything you want it to. I don't know what exactly they mean by that, but we'll find out what they mean by that, I guess. I got these two pieces of wood here. Gonna try putting them together using this here staple gun. So I'm not gonna do anything fancy here because I can't. But all right, well, let's just. Put this on up here. Good. Like that. Guess do this. I think I don't know, I've never used it before. So we'll try it out. I'll just stick it on here like this. They make these daggone tools like you're supposed to have a second fella helping you. Not who has it. Forget it. putting this on here like this. I'm going to press it. You hear that? You hear that sound like it worked. It don't sound like it worked. So now I'm going to take it away. You can see. Where is it? Can't see it in there. Down there. See, there it is. Alright, so maybe this going to work just fine. So I'll put another one in there just because you don't want to flip a flabble in over. So I'll stick this on here like that. Push it down. Alright, coming. Takes a lot of force. Alright. I feel pretty excited about this now. So you can see here this, turned out pretty well, I guess. I guess the idea is so you don't need it's kind of a replacement for a hammer and screws, sort of. Well, it's about how it goes, I guess. That's fine. That's fine. That don't work. It does. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So this here, I don't know what they're expecting of it, but I'm not going to get what I want out of it, that's for sure. But anyway, still recommend it, I guess. You could probably use it. I just, you can figure it out, I guess. Just go on over to Harbor Freight, pick one up, and if you need any pointers, I guess you can watch this video right here again. But